Good day everyone, I am Cadet Medrano Joshua. Nandito ako ngayon para i-demonstrate sa inyo ang pag-announce ng distress, urgency at safety messages. And tara, simulan na natin.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Neptune, MMSI 548-11608, call sign Tango India November Echo. Position 25 degrees, 15 minutes north, 80 degrees, 22 minutes west. My vessel is on fire. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. I have 5 people on board, including 3 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. 1 lifeboat has 2 people on board, including casualties. The other lifeboat has 3 persons on board. Over. Pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is 548-11608, motor vessel Neptune. Call sign Tango, India, November, Echo. Position 25 degrees, 15 minutes north, 80 degrees, 22 minutes west. We have received a notice of the following change to aid the navigation. The light at position 12 degrees, 34 minutes north, 123 degrees, 45 minutes west. Buoy Alpha is extinguished and non-functional. Vessels in the area should exercise caution and navigate with care. We recommend avoiding this location until further notice. Over. Security, security, security. This is 548-11608, motor vessel Neptune. Call sign Tango, India, November, Echo. All vessels in the vicinity of 15 degrees, 45 minutes north, 121 degrees, 30 minutes east are advised that a military exercise is in progress between 0700 UTC and 1800 UTC today. Danger area extends from 15 degree 40 minutes north, 121 degree 25 minutes east to 15 degree 50 minutes north, 121 degree 40 minutes east. Vessels are advised to keep clear and navigate with caution. Over.